Hello and welcome friends to our channel. Today we have selected one stock from IT sector which is providing the technology platform to various companies, to various institutions and organizations. And it has a good potential looking forward. And keeping this thing in mind, we have selected this stock and we are going to analyze this stock for you. Before going to the technical charts, one thing I want to share you all that this stock has a good FIIs and DIS holding also. That is also suggesting that it has a good potential in the days to come. So for the technical charts, I would like to invite our senior member Om Prakash sir to come and just give the idea about this stock. Om Prakash sir.
Thank you, Maniji. So, Maniji, as you are aware, that technology sector has been in the consolidation phase for a very long time.
Correct, sir. Correct.
So, probably it seems that probably some change might come now, and these stocks will probably start giving some good returns now.
Absolutely.
So we have selected one of such stocks which is in the advertising sector. So let's see the charts, what the charts say. Maniji, we will analyze this particular stock in a daily time frame because we don't have much time
Yes, sir.
to analyze it in detail.
Yeah.
And it will be a short-term trading idea.
Correct.
So we will leave it to the imagination of the viewers to see what they should do. And we are not giving any recommendations to them.
Correct, sir. Correct.
But we will give them all the inputs
Yeah.
that are available. So let me make the chart slightly bigger. Okay. So this is the chart of Affle India. This is a daily chart. And I have selected this particular chart as a log chart. So let's see what's happening in the stock. First of all, let me see what's the trend that was going on in this particular stock. If you see, this stock was moving in this particular fashion. So suddenly it seems that it is changing its trend. So let's see how it is changing its trend. So see, the support have changed. It was in an upward channel. So now it is in a parallel channel kind of a formation.
Correct.
So the support is clear. The resistance is also clear. So from the resistance, you can make out, Maniji, that it is making a kind of a triangle. So with the help of some tool, we will try to see what kind of triangle it is making. But before that, let us see if there are any other supports available in this particular chart. So I have drawn this particular zone where you can see it has taken support here, some resistance here, then again supports here, some supports here, supports, resistances. So this is kind of a law of polarity come support zone. So this seems to be a very, very strong support zone because a lot of times it has touched this particular support and bounced back from here.
Correct.
So let's see now what kind of pattern this particular stock is forming. So if you can see this triangle, this is a symmetrical triangle this particular stock is forming. So I have named it for the benefit of the viewers. It is a symmetrical triangle. So let's see if there are any other patterns that are being formed in this particular stock. So what I have noticed that it is forming a head and shoulder pattern also.
Correct.
Sorry, it is inverted head and shoulder, which is a bullish pattern. Bullish pattern. So I will name it here for the benefit of the viewers. So let us see if there are any targets which we can see for this particular stock, keeping in mind these two patterns. Yes. So the symmetrical triangle pattern will give a quite long target, but we don't want to give it a very lengthy target to our viewers. We will just give them a short-term target, which is being formed by the inverted head and shoulder.
Yes.
This is the neckline that has been formed, and this is probably the target that this particular stock should achieve in a long term. So from the current price perspective, it can go up to 1450 levels.
Hmm.
Uh, uh, so let's see what else this particular stock is doing here. Uh, this particular resistance was there for a very, very long time,
Hmm.
almost from 14 January 22. So this particular stock is trying to break out of this particular resistance, and it has sustained there for quite a few days.
Correct.
So I can see a breakout and sustenance of this particular uh, pattern.
Correct.
So this is a big breakout, and probably the stock should go and achieve its target from this particular point of view.
Hmm.
You can also notice, Maniji, that it was in a consolidation phase for quite some time.
Yeah.
But now the structure has become positive, and it is likely to break out from here.
Yeah.
So this is what is the analysis that we wanted to show you. One more thing I would like to show in support of the breakout that we are showing. If you see the RSI,
Yes.
RSI has also broken out of its say
Hmm.
kind of a resistance,
Hmm.
and there is quite a bit of potential there before it reaches its resistance. So it looks like a good bet, and viewers can take their call, and with the help of their financial advisor, can use this trading idea to their benefit. This is what I wanted to say, Manishji. It's a small analysis and small and short analysis. Over to you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir, for giving this technical idea to our viewers. Before we wind up, one thing, one disclosure is that we are not SEBI registered analysts. This was just for your education purpose. Before taking any decision, you need to just consult with your financial advisor, as our senior also mentioned in the video. So thanks to you all, and thank you, Prakash sir, for this wonderful analysis. And we will meet again in the next session. Thank you.